What's going on, everybody? Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions here, and today we're going to be extending out downspouts that have already been extended, but they didn't go far enough. They only went a little bit past the pavers, but at least the paver guys were able to do that. Now the problem is there's a water piling up right out on the other side of the pavers, and then he wants to extend his driveway because when people get out of their cars, well, they're stepping in wet grass, and nobody likes that at all. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. All right, here we go. We got everything over there. We're going to be coming down to right about in here with the pop-up emitter. We're taking all this out. He has already had it extended. He had it to right here, but it piles up right here. As you can see, there's like a little divot. So he doesn't want that to happen anymore. And they didn't put any cleanouts on it, but I'm going to be switching this one out right here to make it so it actually has the clean out, so make it more accessible and to make sure you can always flush out the system. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, and as you can see, they have the downspouts there, and this was their solution. They just ran it out right on the other side of the pavers, and it looks like made it into a mini dry well. But the problem is it just builds up, fills up all this area here with water, and it doesn't flow down the hill as much as you would think. So then when people park and get out of their cars, they're stepping in wet, soggy ground, messing up their shoes, tracking mud and stuff in the house, and nobody likes that. So I'm going to cut this, replace it 90 this way, stay as close as I can, and go all the way to the street. And as you guys can see from this, I just cut it out to go ahead and get this piece out, and you can see it is completely full up. This is why you have to have clean outs and the ability to clean. Otherwise, all this crap gets stuck in your system, and then it doesn't work, and then you've just wasted all that money. So please, make sure when you install downspouts, you have to have a clean out, some way to access it. And dumping this straight into the ground is never a good idea, because even when you flush everything out, where's it gonna go? Straight into the ground where you wanted it to drain to, so that's not gonna work. Always have it for some way for the water to facilitate out and down. So yeah, have cleanouts. And to show everybody, this is why you need cleanouts. They tried to make it into a mini dry well. I just pulled up the little piece after I cut it, and it was just 90'd into the ground, but you can see it is all completely full. There's no daylight. You have to shake it out just to see anything. And people always ask all the time why I don't glue for something like this. What do you need to glue? Now I couldn't take this apart anyways. You have to cut it all out. So yeah, you don't need to glue, but you need to make sure that you have somewhere for the water to go that can facilitate up and down. So that way you can clean it out and get rid of the water to protect against freezing. And here we go. You see the water draining away. As we just made sure we cleaned it all out. Nice clean water. Now we can hook it all up and then show how it's going to work at the end. And here's the finished product. Got everything down here at the end. We have the holes drilled in the 90, the burrito dry well, everything shooting downhill, inserted a clean out now. And as you can see by the level, we are downhill to level here. And then our next section, we are all the way downhill. So extremely downhill from here all the way to the end where the pop-up is. Now to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go. Set it up, got the water going in at the clean out. Comes over here to the pop-up. Everything pops up, facilitates out, and will go to the nearest storm drain down the street. And that's exactly how you prevent your yard from flooding, by running out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.